Lost in the solitude, I'm all alone. No human love to call my own, but the animals gather round my door. They see the love I have in my core. I've roamed this world, still don't understand why human love slips through my hands.
Allee jong, Topsie.
But the bonds
Nieuw.
are formed.
Allee jong. Oh my sis. Oh. Oh, there was a beaver here this night. See, I'm pretty sure there are beavers here because this stick, yeah, the dog already bite it, but it's too clean. See, and it's bit by bit taken off. Yeah, the dog bite it, but it was really clean. See, these are teeth. Up. Oh, my sick. Hello. I was a little bit scared. Maybe youth were coming here, because I read here in the neighborhood youth are trying to scaremonger campers. They hit the door and stuff. But I would step out and try to chase them. I disconnect the caravan and chase them. Let's turn the wheels, because yeah, mostly it are elderly, pensioned people or family people with children. They don't gonna do much. They just pack and they move. But I'm gonna chase them. I'm gonna chase them. See, every time you meet an eagle or worse. So yeah, I would chase them. There is nobody here around in dozens and dozens and dozens of miles. So let's see how fast your car is on the gravel instead of a 4x4. Yeah, that was my idea. I'm not so sure if I'm gonna do it, but that was my imagination. Okay. Kom, dan ga ik niet op. Dan ga je niet. It was really cold this night. It was really cold this night. It got like near zero. Oh, it's so wet here. Door the wetlands. I don't mind it, but all my shoes are a little bit yuck. These are taking in water after a while, or if I dump them in water immediately. So, and they were really expensive. And my other ones, the leather is completely worn out. I go for silence, and next to a waterfall there is no silence. I don't mind it, but I go for silence. If I can choose, I choose. It doesn't travel long for the sound of a small waterfall. A big one, my God, it's so nice here. And the cool part is there is still snow there. Snow. There are a lot of ski areas here, but not with huge mountains. So. Oh, look at this. It's not that old. See, the bottom one is older than this one. But they are not uncommon. It's a destruction here. Ooh, it's a real destruction here. Here are beavers though. And that's Topsie, because beavers kill dogs easily. Topsie, kom eens hier. Topsie. They have one tooth, or what is it, two? Like a rabbit, and they, yeah. But Topsie is a little, yeah, he's gonna bark and act aggressively, but he's not gonna come close. I'm pretty sure he's a scaredy pants. If Topsie falls in the water, he probably comes out of the caravan with the current. Oh my god, this is, oh my god, this is pure nature, pure nature. This is breathtaking. Oh, water, a lot of it. Also wet here. Oh, a lot of water. I'm stuck. I am stuck. On the ground. But is this all wet ground? That's why there are no trees. I think I'm kind of stuck here. I want to go there, but it's gonna be not strong enough, I think. I'm stuck here, I go back. Topsie? Topsie? Oh, there. Okay, I'm trying to get back to the trees this out of water because this is insanely wet. Okay, I've got my boots. For the last 4 steps, they were too much. Oh my. This is what I like doing. No walking paths, find my own way. It's very tiresome. This is going to be too steep. Probably. You can taste the fresh air. Oh, so nice. No carvings, no wood burnings, no sewage, no sweat. feels like you can breathe more deeply here. That your body is not rejecting. I'm not doing much with my solar. I'm getting along, using my Starlink, my laptop, my water pump, charging my quadcopter phone, GoPro. For the rest, everything is perfect. Although I have a problem with my solar panel. Not with the solar panel, highly probably not, but with the inverter. It has a MPPT built in, and that's nice. But it's only for 20 amps, and my solar panel can do at least almost 40. I think 39 or 38 or something. So I'm only using half of that solar panel. So yeah, it is the rocks that my car is kicking up is completely destroying that caravan. I really need mud flaps. Yeah, I hear it clack 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 clack. Yeah, it's gonna completely sandblast this front of the caravan, but yeah, you probably survive. See, that was not here yesterday, for sure not. Yeah, then a visitor. What is it? It's deer. I think it's deer. And back there we had some predator poo. So I'm pretty sure we had more animals than I saw. I only saw a fox. Maybe it was fox poo. I'm not so sure if a fox does dig in his poo like a cat, or it just do it like a dog. I'm not so sure. Okay. I'm gonna drive again and see if we can find a spot better than this, but that's gonna be highly doubtful. That's gonna be tough. Look at it. No, I'm not gonna find it today. I'm most certainly not.